Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. We're about to start cooking. So let's get it done. Let's get it. Got my chicken. You know what? I be like having appetite one day. The next day I don't. You know what I'm saying, y'all? And 1 minute I feel like I want to eat some chicken, and the next day I don't. Akon, come here. Let's clean this chicken off. Okay. Slap your mama. Y'all calm down because I'm vlogging.
Okay, sorry, Mom.
I don't have no more all-purpose seasoning, y'all. I don't have no more all-purpose seasoning. I'm sad about that a little bit. I put this already, y'all?
No.
You sure?
No. You didn't put it.
Let's put some garlic salt. Dang, I ain't used this in a long time. Season your chicken. You feel me? You feel me? Alright. I don't feel like touching this right now, though. Let's go ahead and mix this up. Got my days when I want to touch this stuff. So I was looking. I love party wings, y'all. Like, it's my favorite thing. So cook. Alright, y'all. Look at this. Mix to the capacity. You know. Go give me one of those spicy peppers on the door in the refrigerator. It's in a bag. Let's put some olive oil at the bottom of this. Let's put some onions at the bottom. Then let's put some chicken on top of the onions. You know what I'm saying? Kind of make style with it. Okay. Alright, so we got that there. Alright, let's put the rest of the onions on top of here. And let's move this to the side real quick. And I want to chop up. What y'all having for dinner tonight? It's pretty late. I'm cooking. I just got off the bus. Everybody keep talking about my bus trips and me getting on the bus with my kids and telling me I need to do DoorDash. I do DoorDash. But I'm pregnant and I gotta get up and move my body, right? I'm not about to be just sitting around because I ain't got no car. Helpless. Oh my God, I ain't got no car. I can't do nothing in my life. But I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna move my hips and I'm gonna get up. So for everybody who keeps saying that I need to sit down and I need to stop bringing my kids outside and all this other stuff, like we're not supposed to go outside or something like that. You know, What is wrong with people? Oh my gosh, she needs to order DoorDash. I do order DoorDash, but DoorDash not gonna get everything that I need. They're not gonna find them those Jamaican hot peppers. Every time I try to order Jamaican hot peppers, guess what? They don't never come back with them because they don't know what I'm talking about. Okay? Caribbean gal. I need some Scotch bonnet. They can't find it. But anyway, let's go ahead and put some butter on top of here. Butter. That's how I cook my chicken. Alright? Best chicken in America. Best chicken in America. My oven is already on. It's been on for a long time now. I just have to put my groceries away before I cook. We're going to let that cook for a very long time. Very long time. So we got our green beans. French style green beans, y'all. So I decided to have some yams too. So I'm going to go ahead and add some stuff to these yams. Some butter. What else do I need to add to this, y'all? Some vanilla. Some cinnamon. And I'm gonna put some hold on, y'all. Some nutmeg. Okay. And then one more thing. I'm gonna add some marshmallows. Let me move all these knobs out the area because you never know with kids. Y'all be careful with that. Don't be leaving nothing by your kid just because you ain't never see them touch it. They'll touch it. That'd be the day that they actually touch it. Put the marshmallows. Oh, I had marshmallows all that time and I went to the store and bought marshmallows. I need this right here. This one, I need this one, and I need this top for my chicken. It's done. That can go away. That can go away too. Whew. Let's see. I gotta keep me my ginger ale because I've been eating ginger ale. What is y'all doing?
He's doing no.
Okay, she's doing a lot. This is the finishing results. Thanks for stopping by, y'all. See ya.